A top New York City orthopedist puts in a knee replacement in the wrong place and then ignores the patient's complaints for the next 3 months. You want to know what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. My wife is still on the beach picking shells. She's going to be there all day. So I have a few moments to share this great information with you. So now the patient needed a knee replacement, and the doctor, a top New York City orthopedist, decided he was going to put in what's known as a unicompartmental knee replacement. Not a total knee, but just part of the knee. And that's exactly what he did. He was well respected, well regarded. He was very confident in his abilities. He's done this surgery many times. And now the patient puts her trust in him. The doctor does the surgery, everything looks great, no complications, and sends the patient off. Well, when she wakes up in the recovery room, she immediately begins to have pain in the back of her knee and tells the doctors about that. The one problem? The doctor who did the surgery, this top New York City orthopedist, was nowhere to be found. Only the orthopedic resident was there. So she tells him, and he says, you know what, we'll get an x-ray tomorrow, we'll check it out, we'll see what's going on. Next day goes by, nobody does anything. No x-ray is done, nothing. She makes the same complaint, and she's told, follow up with the orthopedist in the next few weeks. Well, that's exactly what she did. And now, on each and every visit that she went back to the orthopedist, this top New York City orthopedist, she made the same complaints. I'm having pain in the back of my knee. I'm having pain when I stand up and put pressure on it. And you know what he said? Not to worry, it'll go away. At no time did he ever get an x-ray post-operatively. At no time did he ever do anything for this patient, until finally, after 3 months, he finally says, okay, enough. She had complained over and over again and told him, listen, something's wrong here. You know, you got to listen to the patient. He finally gives in and says, okay, let's get an x-ray. When he gets an x-ray, he says, oh, we've got a problem. We now have to go back into surgery. We have to move some of the hardware. She said, what do you mean move some of the hardware? It turns out that when he put the hardware in, he didn't put it into the correct place. And had he done what he should have done, which was take an x-ray intraoperatively to confirm the location of the hardware, none of this would have happened. If he had recognized this intraoperatively, or even immediately after he closed the patient up, then you know what could have happened? He could have fixed the problem right then and there, and she would not have needed another surgery later on with more recuperation, more time out of work, and the whole hassle of having to go through this all over again. But instead, he knew better. He was the trusted doctor that she put her trust into, and he ignored her complaints. So why do I share this great information with you? I share the story with you just to give you an insight and an understanding about one case where I was able to help a woman obtain compensation because of a doctor violating the basic standards of medical care, even someone as well-known, well-regarded as this top New York City orthopedist. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own medical care and the treatment you received. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.